Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. Have another new product we're bringing to you. Lots of new videos coming out on the Medical Gear Outfitter channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all of our new products that are coming to the store. So this one is from Dire Army as well. This is their trauma shear sheath here. So has a hook and loop on the back. So anything that has Velcro hook and loop, this is going to stick to, and you can have easy access to your trauma shears. Comes with the trauma shears here, so little snap comes off, and then your trauma shears come out. These are a little bit smaller than the ones we typically sell, which nothing wrong with that. They feel pretty tight, so they're going to be good for a few uses. Honestly, these are probably what we could consider disposable trauma shears. And these aren't like the X shears where you clean them up and you keep them forever. These are going to be used for a couple times, and you're probably going to want to throw them away and replace them. I think this trauma shear sheath makes a great addition to either the cat tourniquet holder or their IFACT here that we've already done videos on all of these. So this has hook and loop on it as well, so you can attach it to wherever you'd like to. And then their IFACT here, which has the SWAT T tourniquet, has combat gauze and hyphen chest seals. So this is a great lineup of products. It's going to make your trauma supplies easy to get to and keep everything protected, nice and clean. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, go to medicalgearoutfitters.com. I'll put a link down below. We appreciate all your support. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.